In this video, we teach you how to file your Making Tax Digital (MTD) for income tax returns in Xero, so you stay on top of your tax obligations throughout the year. Before you start, make sure all business transactions for the period are entered and reconciled in Xero. This helps ensure your return is accurate. From the Xero dashboard, go to Tax, then select MTD for income tax. On the MTD for income tax overview page, review your to-do list to see which returns are due. Under tax obligations, you'll see each upcoming quarterly return and your final declaration, along with their due dates, to help you stay compliant. Once you've submitted your first quarterly update, check the tax calculation panel in the top right. This helps you keep on top of your tax obligations throughout the year so there are no surprises. To start your first quarterly return, click View next to Send Q One-End Update. You're now in the Income and Expenses section for the current quarterly return. Here, you'll see your business income and expenses for the quarter grouped by the tax categories provided by HMRC. Xero automatically maps your chart of accounts codes to the relevant tax categories. To review any total in more detail, click the appropriate tax category to see which chart of accounts codes are included. To drill down further and see the transactions that make up the amount, click the figure to open the Account Transactions report. Make any changes needed, then return to your quarterly return. Use the menu on the left to add any allowances and adjustments. If you've received savings income or interest in the period, go to Savings and Interest, then review and update the details. Once you've reviewed everything and you're ready to submit the quarterly return, click Send to HMRC. Xero displays a message confirming you're about to send an update to HMRC. Review the information, then click Send Update. Once the submission is complete, you return to the Overview page, where the status of the quarterly return shows as filed. HMRC performs a tax calculation based on the information you've provided. You'll see this reflected under the tax calculation. It can take up to 1 hour for HMRC to update the obligation status in Xero. On the left-hand side, under Tax Report, you'll see a set of reports detailing the information HMRC has used in your tax calculation. Click into a report to see the details. The summary shows the information HMRC has used to calculate your tax obligation. It includes income from your trade and property, your pay details, and any other income received. Use the arrow to move to the next report. Here, Xero shows your personal information. Review it and check that it's correct. Move to the next report to see your self-employment income details. This shows the business information provided to HMRC. The final report shows details of your UK savings and interest. Select Messages on the left to see any errors, warnings, or general messages that need your attention. Now you're ready to file your quarterly MTD for income tax returns in Xero with confidence and stay on top of your tax throughout the year.